It's the baby Chloe.
Is it in a cracker?
It's the baby Chloe.
She would rather have the spoon than the cracker.
She's like, it's my spoon. You cannot have it. You cannot have the spoon. Stay where you're at. I'll show you. I'll show you when it's done.
No, my that was caught.
You just can't have that one. I'll have the pretty dip.
You want fries?
I'm gonna eat this cracker.
And soup?
It's gonna be a good cracker.
Rice or vegetables?
Ow!
Salad, you like?
She's a cannibal.
Chicken?
Chicken. Creamy chicken.
Ow!
Did you get that, Eric?
I'm gonna have the Reuben.
Fries?
I want it break. I
Yes.
chew on the cracker, but nothing happens.
Soup?
Yeah, I'll have the creamy chicken.
Hey, Daddy, this cracker's just fine.
Yeah, that's an extra one.
What do you like, Kyle?
This cracker doesn't work, Daddy. It's broken.
Well, here, Chloe, clean this one for you.
Eat it. Come on, bite it. I got a piece. And now I'm gonna have my spoon back.
Guys,
No.
I like my spoon.
She loves to spoon.
Travel the city.
That's not inappropriate.
Dude, she's making a video.
Eric,
Chicken with rice or
spooning isn't
vegetables?
inappropriate.
It was 2 weeks ago.
This is my spoon.
Chocolate melted